I thought we was gonna be able to bring all that back, but I see how y'all do it. So we gotta make this work.
We gonna make it work.
We gonna make
Barcelona.
this work. Ho. Okay, fuck it. Let's just get sold up.
Yeah.
Let's start the show.
Boom, 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 boom.
Mel got this shit sold up. Coming 3 got this shit sold up. Barcelona got this shit
Sold up, sold up.
Lil Jack got this shit
Sold up, sold up.
Primavera got this shit
Sold up.
CUPRA Pulse got this shit Coming 3 got this shit
Sold up.
We got this shit
Sold up, sold up.
We got this shit
Sold up, sold up.
We got this shit
Sold up, sold up.
Yeah.
Barcelona.
Hey, let's keep this party going.
Pump your fist. Pump your fist.
More on the mic.
Pump your
Let a
fist.
nigga back in. Give me a second. Raise my hands up to the sky. One's up. Gonna throw your thumbs up to the north side. Cause you know who it is. And I know you done heard. It's Tommy Wright III. What I serve like a bird. Get it out, get it out, hit it out, kick it out, spit it out. That's my specialty, bitch. Killing motherfuckers, leaving them in the cemetery, bitch.
Yeah.
Body never found. I been in a scuba nigga, celebrate shooting nigga. Who the nigga, you nigga? Tell me that you do, nigga.
Get him,
Tell me
get him,
to the nigga.
get him,
Pop with the
get him,
nigga.
get
Do what
him,
I'ma
get
do,
him.
nigga.
Ha, ha, ha.
Hey, hey,
Hey,
hey, hey,
hey, hey,
hey, hey.
hey, hey.
And I got love for CUPRA. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, I got love for Barcelona.
Hey, hey, hey,
Hey, hey, hey, hey.
hey, 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 hey.
Yeah, yeah,
You know what?
yeah.
You got control. They do. Hey, hey.
Hey, 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 hey.
Wait a minute. I see a couple of people not moving.
What the fuck?
It was like that one.
Who else?
He wasn't moving.
Which one? Point them out.
He wasn't
Point
moving.
them out. Are y'all bullshit?
On the count of 3, everyone should be moving. 3, 2, 1.
Move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move.
Tommy Wright III, bitch.
Motherfucker, move.
10 wanna be in the
He said move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move.
project. We finna bump this shit. Big that hoe. You in the way.
Move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move.
You in the way of my combo. Move, motherfucker, move. You in the way
Move,
of my combo.
motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move.
You in the way
Move,
of my combo.
move, motherfucker, move.
Chasing cheese like Tom after Jerry.
All about my business. Yeah, not heard Tommy coming. I'm bringing more guns than Vietnam. I'm young and buck right there, you fuck. Nigga better duck or press they luck. I'm running with King Kong 10 wanna be, but tell the truth is reasonable. City on Sunday, tell my crumb that eat it Caesar D&D. Fire shouting, drilling each other. You know it's gonna let Tommy 3. Smoking the P and swinging it 2. Say the phone in the cigarette line. We already on about 3 blocks, but I want 3 more to take me higher. Can I get back up when a nigga act up around me? Tell these bitches to cry. Money and Tommy together at last. Call that a track, come equipped to black. Sipping on red, I with a piece maker in between the seats. Buddies hot hole, private car with devil stone. Swung my pack out of real Bobos. I won't think, but like they down had the nice jeans and tight rim. Coming out them 10, they with a good puss on me. You can't see them lights in. These niggas be doing the talk, but these niggas ain't doing the walk. For your life, motherfucker, repent. Studio 6,
1, 2, 3,
go.
Move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move. Move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move. Move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move. Move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move.
Give me room, give me room.
Give me room, bitch. Move, move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move.
You in the way of my
move, 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 move,
Motherfucker,
move, motherfucker. Hey man, y'all juggle spread out, get on the other side.
Yeah. Let's go.
Mac doing beats, keep it real, bitch.
If you know me, you know this song.
Yeah.
Murder in the first degree. Murder in the first degree.
Murder in the first degree.
Murder in the first degree.
Murder in the first degree.
Murder in the first degree.
Murder in the first degree.
Tommy Wright, creeping at night. Posse deep is how I creep.
Put your
Popping
ones
drugs,
up.
selling
Put your
drugs. I ain't
ones
nothing but a thug selling dope. I can't cope with my life, so I fight each and every day to get paid. Money's gotta be made. Got a gun by my side. Duck if you see my ride.
Yeah.
Last motherfucker they wanted to jump, man, that nigga died.
Yeah.
I ain't got no feeling. I be killing with my Glock cock. Neighbor peeping while I'm creeping. Fuck a neighborhood watch. Suicidal, homicidal. Nigga pass me my lighter. Laser, check my pager. Put that bitch on vibrator. Gotta be quiet while I'm creeping. Cause this shit is dangerous. If I get caught slipping, I might end up dead as an angel. So to stop anything from happening to me, man, I watch my back closely to prevent a murder in the first degree.
Yeah.
Murder in the first degree.
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 Madman killer on the run with the gun, G.
Murder in the first degree. 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 Get him. Get him.
Madman killer on the run with the gun, G.
Murder in the first degree. 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 Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah. Tommy Wright III.
much love.
Tommy Wright.
Much love.
Tommy Wright III.
Yo, I want to take this time to acknowledge somebody that I know got roots in Barcelona, and his name is Kelman Duran. Give him a hand. Kelman was instrumental in me working with Beyonce. And we made this song called I'm That Girl, double platinum and gold. Y'all streamed it. I'm gonna give you a taste right now. These motherfuckers ain't.
Bounce, 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 bounce,
Yo,
Cause I'm in that hole.
we good. Y'all make sure y'all stream that. And it's featuring my girl that passed away a few years ago, Princess Loco.
Rest in peace, Princess Loco.
And I would appreciate it if I could just play her favorite song, one of her biggest hits. Still Pimpin'. All these niggas be jocking me.
Give it to the end, make a cheese, need a green bitch, please.
Motherfuckers ain't stopping me.
Coming on the scene with a tummy heel, thinking niggas sell, but you got to make me rich. Never get the pussy cause it's off limits. Whole run the game when you're claiming it other bitch. Gas up your head like a living nigga, no loco. Never go for the niggas on my dick. Pimp player, baby, little nigga, never stank to the day I die. You ain't mad as a bitch. Niggas pimping hoes pimping niggas too. It's just a game to get it some bad as pocket for the cheese. Dollars to the buses, motherfuckers think I'm loving it, but I'm
Loving it when they drop to their knees, trying to tell me
so
so
bad
bad.
when I fall up in a place, these jealous ain't told it's a fake up front. Catch about weed,
Thank
that a
you,
bitch
thank you,
by
thank you.
like a little funky ass in the trunk.
Yo.
Like toys, I ain't going in with
I'm
the
good.
niggas fucking like they pimp. Try to pimp me, niggas get broke for the end. I'm gonna gotta go.
Man,
Yeah.
I could just think about I can just think about what it would be like if she was here now.
Man.
She'll be having so much fun. But let's keep this party going. Tommy Wright III. I want this side to say, don't start no shit. This for you. Won't be no shit. Down the middle. Don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Don't start no shit. Won't be no shit.
Don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Won't be no
break it
shit.
down.
Don't
Don't start no shit, won't be no shit. I got no time to fuck with you. Don't start no shit, won't be no shit. I got no time to fuck with you.
Yeah,
What you fuck
yeah,
with?
yeah.
Don't start no shit, won't be no shit. I got no time to fuck with you.
Yeah, yeah. Start no shit, don't be no shit. I ain't got no time to fuck with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't fuck with busters, mine busters know not to fuck with me. Every nigga from folk talking about who is savage and known as pimpin' B. LCP, that's my hood. Glock 17 in the back of the Fleetwood. Drop a nigga quick with the click of a
Yeah,
chick. Now nigga wanna jump
yeah,
in, stop trying to
yeah.
take my duck and dog. Pull your gun, can't escape this red wrong. Get a gang in the clique, we bitch talk shit. I'm a trick in the ditch, no remorse on bitch. Talking right to third, dealing bird, trying to serve. Some of you buster motherfuckers starting ruckers with this duster. I'm a mother project going. Get that pimpin' cause I'm thick with y'all. One pocket full of money, one pocket full of gold. Back two pocket full of clip on my tone. On that track I cone. In that studio I flow on. No bone on my neck, but I better get respect cause the tech gon' wet your fucking dome. 38, 9, Glock 50 with the pistol grip, folk on the capital, finger on the trigger. 10 wanted me, my real nigga.
Start no shit, won't be no shit. Don't start no shit, won't be no shit. Don't
Start no shit,
won't be no shit. Don't
start no shit,
won't be no shit.
Don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
don't start no shit.
Won't be no shit.
Don't start no
Hey,
Won't
hey,
be no shit. Don't start no shit.
won't
be no shit.
yeah.
No shit, won't be no shit. Start no shit.
Don't
Start no shit, won't be no shit. Start no shit, won't be no shit. Don't start no shit, won't be no shit. Don't start no shit, won't be no shit.
No.
Yeah.
Everybody in here in Barcelona?
Where y'all
No.
from?
Where you from?
Birmingham.
Birmingham. Where you from?
Manchester.
Valladolid.
London. Brazil. Barcelona.
Madia.
Ethiopia.
South Korea. What?
Bogota. Giwan Beach.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We thought we
E1
called you a bitch. I thought you called me a bitch.
E1 bitch. Yeah.
I do want a bitch.
Hey, man. Y'all, hey, I love this, though. CUPRA, thanks for having us.
Tommy Wright. Make some noise for Tommy Wright.
Hey, man. Is it time for that battle?
Y'all ready for it?
It ain't enough girls in here. If it's some
Where the
ladies.
women at?
Oh, it's some ladies in here.
Where the women at?
There's a lot of women.
Where the women at?
Shake some.
Hey, pimpin' ain't dead. I hold you on the bed. That's all the players trying to get chose. So what a whole nigga just
Where the girls
internationally
at?
known. Nationally respected and locally accepted.
Let's go.
Shake some.
Shake some. Time to shake some.
Time to shake some. Time to shake some. Time to shake some.
Time to shake some. Time to shake some. Shake some. Shake some. Shake some.
Shake some. Shake some. Time to 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 shake some.
From my blood up in the club with the rest of my citizen thugs on my grill. A mean more. Ain't no love. You ain't know. Get out your seat before I go. I want that one. Tommy 3. That's my name. Sell weed. Sell cocaine. Superstar. Pop in the hood. They hated up in my blood. Show me looking for that cheese on a mission. Thugged out, but I be the sharpest up in the courtroom. Shake some, fuck with your boy. I gotta be at the airport soon. Hands on the left, shake your boy on the right. Shake your nigga to hit you the marker. Shake it, shake up the night. Shake it, shake some. Shake some. Shake some. Shake some. Time to 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 shake some. Shake it, shake some. Shake it, 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 shake it.
Oh my God.
Y'all, of course we can do that.
Tommy, can I borrow? I need 7 of them.
Yo. We in here. Yo, let's keep this party going. Jugging better? Let's roll.
Yeah.
Drive by, get up out the window, smoking on the endo. Gotta get them food, but they gave the cops a little info. 9 on my waistline, I get high gun on my thigh, ride low, scooping up the homies in the hood that said they wanna go. Gotta roll back street, smoking the joint, my partner make heat. Out in the back seat, looking for people we might wanna creep. Ride blazer, rolling through crazy, step to me and we gon' squab. Duck them bust, I'm born gangster. Hesitate, can't wait to rock. Nigga be wonder what coming, be clicking for something, man, that's just the way that I am. If you duck, you still miss, so that ain't gon' help protect yourself. Now it's just you against my gas pedal and my braking. Since you shot up through 4 corners, it's the last breath you take. Now you running through people yard scared, you gon' end up dead. Jumping gate, but you can't escape this laser infrared. Spray your way, just like they did Ricky. On that boys in the hood, fool, cause I'm coming out that sunroof with some vibe. Drive by, when we see him, we gon' drive by, a drive by. Mess with me and it's a drive by, a drive by. Better duck cause it's a drive by, a drive by. Mess with me and it's a drive by, a drive by. Mess with him and it's a drive by, a drive by. Mess with me and it's a drive by, a drive by. Yeah, it's a drive by, a drive by. Yeah, roll down the window and smoke.
Roll down the window and smoke. He said, roll down the window and smoke.
Okay.
Roll down the window and smoke.
All right, y'all.
Yeah.
Thank y'all for coming up and shaking some.
That's gonna be $400 a piece. Y'all come pay me.
Look.
Okay, bye. All right, love, we get you pregnant later. We get you pregnant later. Thank you. We love to get you pregnant later. I love you. No ovaries. You gotta have ovaries.
Okay, we almost broke it.
We broke what we break?
We almost broke it.
That what happened when you turn it over, Tommy Wright, you break shit around this motherfucker. Tommy Wright III in there. Y'all make some noise for Tommy Wright.
Lord.
I said make some noise for Tommy Wright.
Yo, y'all alive. I'm alive.
Fuck you, man.
Let's celebrate.
Celebrate.
Yeah. Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Let it ride.
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
It look like the mosh pit,
Ballin'
like
in
right
the
around
junkie
here.
joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
I be
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
I be
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
all
Ballin'
that
in the
rocks,
junkie.
selling rocks, hand full, take your pick. You ain't got no money, give me your car so I can ballin', bitch. What will feel, where you at? Junkies on stage, waiting for the car. Radio gone, no earn, no heat, hit one of them, one ride deep through the park. I be back, no I be lying, crackheads be dumb as fuck. Jumped in the junkies, I'm ballin' the thing. Junkie got scared when I junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit.
Ballin' in the junkie joint.
Riding in that junkie shit. Riding in that junkie shit. Riding in that junkie shit. In that junkie shit.
CUPRA Pulse. Primavera. What a beautiful thing that they put together here. Coming all the way from Memphis to see this is kind of like, man, one of the biggest moments of my life. DJ, shout him out.
Yeah.
Honestly, this is such a big blessing to be playing with him. This is my first ever time being like a backup DJ, and I'm on top of the world. Also, I have my own show in the warehouse. Maybe you should come by at 3:20. Yeah, at 3:20.
Ain't no maybe. Fuck with this nigga right here.
Yeah.
Fuck with this nigga.
We there. We going to your
nigga.
show, homie. Let's roll.
Yeah.
Street smart.
It's time for the jukin' dancing battle.
See me go. I know it's a lot want me dead. I know it's
Elio.
a lot that got love. I know it's a lot hate. I'ma write the third. Although the pain may hurt, it might hurt. They put me in that dirt. I know you mama don't cry. It's hell on earth. And even if I make a million, I still curse. So till the day I die, I'm putting that work. I got this hell on earth. Although the pain may hurt, when they put me in that dirt, and my heart still alerts. It's hell on earth. And even if I make a million, I'm still cursed. So till the day I die, I'm putting in work. It's hell on earth. I should go to heaven, cause Tommy Wright done already been through hell, spending time in jail, shit quick to tell behind bars is hard when you can't make bills. I know it is, I know it in the city before. Ain't jail a hoe, Tommy Wright say fuck the government, see us struggling and they loving it, baby say fuck this shit. We the rubber beats, better look and wish when I defeat this spirit. Just so he ain't got me ripping back tens alone, I'm coming by my end, fuck free. Saying it's like the scene that we in when I die, don't cry. Let me see my hurt, Tommy gone up off this earth, but to a better place beyond this universe. To join many other niggas on street smart niggas that went out in the crossfire. I got two rolled dead, named Eric and Red, the great getting high, Lord, tell me why. Every day I have to face these races. Already got three investigating cases. If my soul is something about God, I pray to the day that Tommy Wright made me. Cause it's a hell on earth. The pain may hurt when they put me in that dirt. Mama, don't cry. Don't let them haters see me. If I make a million, I'm still cursed. So till the day I die, I'm putting in work. Cause it's a hell on earth. Although the pain may hurt when they put me in that dirt. Get your shovel slip alerts. It's hell on earth. Get your shovel slip. If I make a million, I'm still cursed. Still cursed. Till the day I die, I'm putting in work. It's hell on earth. Drama from my baby mama. And the most strength that T-Right can take all this hustling up doing. I heard shit and killing for my dog to say, but dog, it ain't appreciated. So I pushed on you the food. Ride with the weak ass fuckers while we drink champagne, cheap in that hotel room. Get it, numb on, come on, mission. I slipping, coming on the brick. I showers with Tommy, so Tommy alone. Once my Tommy say don't get it, crime stays on my mind. Boy, the devil some of this head described. I'm hoping street smart get lost. One day take me out the fight, and that shit get kicked to the curb. See how they did that bitch, and that shit catch a charge. The boy brothers, my witnesses. Take a swallow from Crown Bottle, wondering if we gon' see more tomorrow. Street smart never stop from my partner's berry. When the pants got an ass blow, will I follow? It's a hell on earth. The pain may hurt when they put me in that dirt. Mama, don't cry, it's hell on earth. And even if I make a million, I'm still cursed. So till the day I die, I'm putting in work. Right, it's hell on earth. Although the pain may hurt when they put me in that dirt. I'm evil alert. It's hell on earth. And even if I make a million, I'm still cursed. So till the day I die, I'm putting in work. It's hell on earth. Although the pain may hurt when they put me in that dirt. Yo, we in this joint as I ease in. Okay, who was the winner?
Who was the winner?
We gonna go by applause. We gonna start here. What about him? Okay.
What they talking about? What they talking about? What they talking about? What they talking about? What they talking about?
My guy right here.
What they talking about? What they talking about? What they talking about? What they talking about? What
Okay.
they talking about? What they talking
And
about?
what about my guy right here?
I don't know, Tommy.
Oh no, that's the tie.
I ain't talking. Nah, there ain't no motherfucking tie.
This what you don't. Oh,
I know who it was.
who was the winner?
He by himself. He stands alone.
Oh,
He stands
man.
alone. Hey, what, I need to rematch?
Hey, I thought it was a tie, but, man, we're going to let the champion speak.
Say something. Say something. Speech, 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 speech. Say something, motherfucker, stop dancing.
First of all, thank you, y'all. And second, I can't speak English. Sorry.
He gonna cry in the car. He gonna cry in the car.
It is what it is, man.
Hey, it is what it is, man. It is what it is,
But you know that beat, and he know what to do when the beat drop. Let go.
Hell yeah.
Don't play with a street type nigga, cause a street type nigga don't play.
Don't play.
Hey, don't play with a street type nigga, cause a street type nigga don't play.
Don't play.
Street type, gotta get some money if I ain't got none. All it takes is a steamer and a motherfucking gun. Need about 2 or 3, nigga, but not really, cause I kinda feel safe. Walking straight with my 9 milli, keep my head down. So the trick won't suspect shit. If my gun get broke, I never, till I get it big. Doing what I gotta do by all means necessary. Get a shank, take his bank. I don't eat if I don't gang. Toss it deep, I used to creep. Now I'm just a one-man gang. Knocking on the junk this winter, get bail, selling things. Never smoke, never drink, you gotta stay drug-free. Cause if you have them folks that catch your ass slipping in the street, I know all the shortcut, and the way. Even ditches, keep your face from being shown. You will get told on by the stitches. Tommy right on street smart. Hard as a fucking brick. Straight from 4 corners with a click. That is so damn thick. So it's time to rob, time to mob. Fuck a job, fuck a bitch that wanna and slob on my knob. I'm a street type nigga down with street smart records on the app, cause a record for you player hate motherfuckers. I used to hustle on the street corner. Hip hop thug. You know what? You know what? I used to hustle on the street corner. I'm a hip hop thug. You know what? You know what? Don't play with a street type nigga, cause a street type nigga don't play.
Don't play. Don't play.
Don't play with a street type nigga, cause a street type nigga don't play. Yeah.
Don't play with a street type nigga,
Cause a street type nigga don't play. Yo.
Tommy, they want some
Let's
more.
run it going. I started out with 6 bullets, but I ended up with zero. Gave my Glock 17 to my roadie. Never sleeping, ducking and dabbing as I do my thing. Left my guy and get the shit. Some of my niggas were left on the track. Booming dope, never soap. But them folks set up a raid. All the dealers dropped they dope and got my cousin caught that day. Now we down at 201. Ain't no fun, had a gun. Thought it rocked, cause he got charged for the shit they dropped. Drops better known as top. In the ghetto, yeah, the metro bitches got me fed up, cause I think it was a setup. Anyway, I got no time to be trying to play Sherlock, so I got my Glock with 6 shells. Then I break them out of jail, driving down the highway, man. Speed limit, shit at risk. Got off at the Union exit, eyes red, cause I'm pissed. Scoping out them police cars, I ain't scared, cause I'm hard. Smoking endo, thinking I got to get them out there for a blow. Walk up to the door, broke out running past the check out car. Metal detector going out, cause I shot that chrome Glock. Stop, breathe, bitch, please. Hit the elevator, bad, 4th floor. Give me the keys, wood. Please don't make me bad, get your ass up. Hey, now we running deep as hell through downtown in a line. Gotta hit the highway, home free. Never running while I'm gunning. APB, running while I'm gunning. Running while I'm gunning. Running while I'm running.
Running while you gunning. Running while you gunning.
Running while I'm gunning. Running while I'm
gunning.
running while
you
I'm
gunning.
back up in the hookah, but like always it with crank. So we jumped out with the jailbirds off into a bank. I don't want no money. All I need is one of these niggas.
Yeah.
I shot the damn security guard, jump into his pickup
up while they stick up all the jailbirds jumped in the back with the money set. Now I'm down to 4 fully, but I had to use the 4. Shot one of them convicts, found out he was 5-0. Threw my sword, ballin' trying to lead that bitch while everybody spitting cash. But I saw blue lights in the rearview, man, so I pumped the gas. Knowing I'm in trouble, thoughts of giving up crossed my mind. They got my ass this time. LPD blocked out the street, so we jumped out of the truck, put a brick up on the gas and let the truck slam in their ass. Now everybody on foot through the wood, man. We had to break out running, gave them niggas a hug, man. Good luck, it's time for gunning, running while I'm 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 gunning. Yo,
make some noise.
Hey,
Barcelona, make some noise.
Hey, man, let me switch up with you.
Can we do one more song? Hey.
She said 5 more.
This song right here, people been getting wild to all across the nation. It's called Meet Your Maker.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Oh.
Time to turn the fuck up. Hey, 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 say hello. Hey, 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 hey. Me and my partner Tiptoe about to do a homicide. Cranking up the ride, better go out on the east side. First I roll a blunt so rappers like us can get high off the split. So when we get the camping, we won't have no pity when we kill. Rolled up on the set, real slow with the lights off. Then I see my enemy wanna cap him with the sawed
What you
off.
do?
Buster standing on the corner, sipping on some Alizé. That's when I got the tick through in the clip. Then commence to spray, jump back in the Chevy, burn rubber as I left the scene. Still blink from last night, so Achilles to Tommy right, ain't no thing. Falling down Bellevue, headed towards CTO. Find me a getaway, pack my bags and lay low. Go and pop the trunk, put the pump in the plastic bag, bury in the yard of the house that my father had. Now these suckers fearing me with rumors lurking on the street. Then I shot another and left his body like a refugee. Yellow tape, chalk body, blood on the concrete. Won't go to jail, now or later. Fuck with me, you'll meet your maker.
Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker.
We were louder than a steamer at a light, laid back. Couple of banks tried to jack, so we had to peel some caps. I popped one in the leg, sliced the other with a knife. I don't care about spirits hunting me, I still be smoking blunt shit. The other robber grabbed, Tiptoe tossed them out the car. They got us stuck between crooks, they done went too damn far. He grabbed Tiptoe by the head, put the pistol to his face. I act like I didn't give a damn, stood still in one place. Then I pointed the barrel, he pointed heel, told me drop the gun. That's when he messed up, Tiptoe broke on his ass, started to run. Now your ass free, I'm gon' cap this fool, now not later. Run over his ass in the steamer, turn trick. Meet your maker.
Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker. Meet your maker, meet your maker. Tommy Wright III, bitch.
CUPRA Pulse. Primavera 2025. Thank y'all. Memphis in the building. I'm Tommy Wright III. 10 wanted men to the world end. Street smart like the part. Down downtown. Internet icon.
Yeah.
Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, cause it ain't over.
Tommy Wright III.
New album on the way.
New album, new music coming.
And it just gets better and better and better. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Make some
Thank
noise.
y'all.
Tommy, 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 Tommy. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the amazing, the Memphis legend that is Tommy Wright III.
Somebody asked me what I love about Memphis.
Oh, okay.
I said everything. Man, you riding down Lamar.
Who coming up next?
Man, windows down, sun beaming.
Yo,
doing about 70, 80.
Thank you.
Ain't no police around. Heading toward downtown. Man, ballin'.
Hey, I'm from Memphis.
All I know is Memphis.
Memphis.
All I know is Memphis. He talking about you from the city. He don't be in Memphis. He talking about you from the city. All I know is Memphis.
Memphis.
All I know is Memphis.
Put your hands up. Put your hands
All I
up.
know is
Put your
Memphis.
hands
He talking
up.
about you from
Put
the
your
city.
hands
He
up.
don't be in
Put
Memphis.
your
He
hands
talking
up.
about you from
Put
the
your
city.
hands
All I
up.
know is Memphis. Where you at? Probably in a suite overlooking water. Where I'm at? Ford funeral home. Cause my partner slaughtered. Where you at? Probably on the beach, toes in the sand. Where I'm at? Up on Macklemore. Draco in my hand. Memphis. All I know is Memphis. All I know is Memphis. You be talking about you from the city. He don't be in Memphis. You be talking about you from the city. All I know is Memphis. Where you at? In a private jet, counting loot. Where I'm at? Real army general with the troops. Where you at? In a bitch face or she sitting on yours. Where I'm at? First album sits behind closed doors. Where you at? Up in VIP, popping bottles. Where I'm at? Never leave the house without the chopper. Where you at? Somewhere they don't even do no pimping. Where I'm at? All white pie, Curtis Davis. Your money don't make you bigger than me. I'm upper echelon. Looks can be deceiving. Call them Decepticons. What am I smoking, my nigga? All I smoke is marijuana. Some of my niggas on ice, some of my niggas on heroin. Niggas be running from Tommy just like they on Peloton. When I come and body niggas, all that's left is skeleton. Who do I think is better, man? I'm better than everyone. Rest in peace to Leicester Street and people that died on Silverson. Memphis. All I know is Memphis. All I know is Memphis. You be talking about you from the city. He don't be in Memphis. He be talking about he from the city. All I know is Memphis. All I know is Memphis. All I know is Memphis. He be talking about he from the city. He don't be in Memphis. He be talking about he from the city. All I know is Memphis. It's plain to see. You can't change me, cause I'ma be in Memphis for life. It's plain to see. You can't change me, cause I'ma be in Memphis for life. It's plain to see. You can't change me, cause I'ma be in Memphis for life.